Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So finally the Telangana State Council for Higher Education has announced the hall ticket download date of Eamcet 2020. So before starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for latest updates. So as you all people know that the Eamcet for engineering will be conducted from 9 September to 14 September, and for agriculture it will be conducted on 28 and 29 September. So these dates are confirmed. So make sure to start your preparation. Don't waste your precious time. So if you talk regarding the downloading of hall ticket of Eamcet 2020. So downloading of hall tickets for Eamcet 2020 will be available from tomorrow on official website of Eamcet 2020. So from tomorrow you can go to the official website of Eamcet 2020 and download your hall tickets and know your exam center of Eamcet 2020. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members, and make sure to join my WhatsApp group for latest updates of Eamcet 2020. Link is available in the description. Thanks for watching.